Good morning, students. Welcome back to maths class. Today, I would like to explain about sum of in terms of an arithmetic progression. Sum of. Look here. In the previous class, I told you what is the meaning sequence of a number. If we separate the numbers using commas, 2, 4, 6, it is known as sequence of numbers. And if you separate the numbers using plus or minus sign, 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus etc. to n terms, it is known as series of numbers. Understand the difference between sequence and series? Here, in this section, how to find the sum of n numbers. Understand? We know that let A be the first term of an AP and D be the common difference. Once again, let A be the first term of an AP and D be the common difference. Then the first section, can you remember what's the first section? Yes, AN is equal to nth term of an arithmetic progression is A plus n minus 1 into D. Understand? In the previous class, I discussed all that portions. Are you okay? Now, here our aim is to find the sum of n terms. That means Sn. Sn. Notation is Sn. Sum of n terms. How can you find the sum? Formula is let A be the first term and D be the common difference and n is the sum of n terms. N by 2 into 2a plus that 2a, after 2a leave some space and put plus n minus 1 into D, close the bracket. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Repeat the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Or if the first term and last term, given, what's the meaning? Last term means nth term, an. If a and an given, you can write the same formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. A plus an or a plus l. L means the last term. A plus l or a plus an. Understand? Copy this. Sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Write the first question. First question. Right. The sum of first n natural number is sum of first n natural number is. Look here. Sum of first n natural number means question is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus n. Here what is A? A is equal to 1, isn't it? D is equal to 2 minus 1. That is also 1. Then Sn, here sum of n natural number means here the last term is n. Understand? Therefore, n by 2 into, within bracket 2a 2a means 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into d is 1. That is n by 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 into 1 means n minus 1. That is n by 2 into 2 minus 1. What is the answer? 2 minus 1 is? Yes, 1 plus n by 2. Or what's the final answer? Sum of n natural number is n into n plus 1 by 2. Right? N into n plus 1 by 2. Sum of n natural number is n into n plus 1 by 2. Look at the board. The options are given. N into n plus 1 by 2, n into n plus 1, n square and n into n minus 1 by 2. Understand? Therefore, the final answer n into n plus 1 by 2. Therefore, the option is A. The option is A. Then, write down the next question. Sum of n even natural numbers. Write the heading. First n even natural numbers. Even natural number means 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus etc. plus 2n. Sum of first even natural number. Then, yes, what's the formula? Sn is equal to Sn. When you apply the formula, look at the board. N by 2 into, the first term is 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 into, even numbers means the common difference is 2. That is n by 2 into 2 into 2, 4 plus, opening the bracket, 2n minus 2. That is n by 2 into 2 plus 2n. Understand? That is, you can take one 2 from this numerator outside. N into 2 into n plus 1 by 2. 2 and 2 cancel. Therefore, the final answer n into n plus 1. Sum of first even natural number. Sum of first even natural number formula. N into n plus 1. Therefore, pick out the options. N into n plus 1 by 2. N into n plus 1, 2n square, none of the above. Therefore, the answer correct option is n into n plus 1. That is, the option is B. Understand? Next, write the next question. Write the next question. The third question. 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus etc. to 40 terms is. Understand? 1. A is 1 and D is equal to 4 minus 1. What is 4 minus 1? Yes, 3. 7 minus 4. That is 3. Therefore, D equal to 3. And here, sum to 40 terms means our aim is to add 40 terms of this series. Therefore, n is equal to 40. Therefore, direct question, S40 is equal to, what is S40? 40 by 2 into 2 into A. What is your A? 1 plus 40 minus 1. All of you look at the board. What is that formula? N minus 1 into D. That means 40 minus 1. 39 into D. That what is D? That is equal to 3. Can you say what is 40 by 2? Yes, 20 into 2 plus what is 39 into 3? So the answer 39 into 3. Yes, 117. That is 20 into 119. 9 twos are 18. Isn't it? 9 2s are 18. The option is 1350, 2350, 2380. Therefore, we know that 2380 is the correct option. Here the option that is C. 2380. Okay, 2380. Now listen. The fourth question. 2 plus 7 plus 12 plus etc. plus 102. Is there any difference you identify between these two questions? Are they same? No. In the first question, sum to 40 terms means our aim is to find S40. Directly the question S40. But here, 2 plus this series, look at the series, 2 plus 7 plus 12 plus etc. plus 102 means the last term is 102. Our aim is to find which term is that 102. How many terms are there in the series? Is it clear? Yes. Now listen. First you have to write A equal to 2 and B is equal to 5. And AN is equal to 102. AN is equal to 102. Then can you apply the formula? If AN and A and D are given, you can easily find N, isn't it? I think you got that practice. Therefore, AN means AN formula A plus N minus 1 into D. That is 102 equal to, what is your A? 2 plus N minus 1 means that is not N minus 1 into D is 5. Okay, students? Then 102 minus 2. What is 102 minus 2? Yes, 100. Then one more step, by 5 equal to N minus 1. What is 100 by 5? 20. 20 plus 1, 21. N is equal to 21. N is equal to 21. Yes, very good. Then yes, 21 is the question. Yes, 21. 21 by 2 into. If the first term and the last term given, if the first term and last term given, we can write the formula as N by 2 into A plus AN. If the first term and last term given, first term is 2 and the last term is 102. Understand? Then 21 by 2 into 104. 2 and 104 cancel, 51. 51 into 21. 51 into 21. Write the answer. What is 51 into 21? Is it 1192, 9012 or 1092? Yes, 1092. Therefore, the correct option of this question is A. Correct option is A. I'll write the fifth question. Sum of 25 terms of 3, 7, 11, etc. Sum of 25 terms means, yes, 25 equal to is the question. Understand? Directly the question is S25. Then, can you write what is A equal to? Yes, A equal to 3. All of you write A equal to 3 and D equal to, remember, D is second term minus first term. Not first term minus second term minus first term. 7 minus 3, that is equal to 4. Then copy the formula. Yes, 25 is 25 by 2 into 2 into A. 2 into, always copy the formula. After that, substitution. Understand? That's very important point in that marking scheme. First you copy the formula, then substituting the values. 2 into 3 plus N minus 1 means 25 minus 1. 24 into D is 4. Is it clear? That is 25 by 2 into 6 plus 24 fours are 96. That is 25 by 2 into 96 plus 6 is 102. Then from this option, can you find the answer? Do by yourself. Yes, the answer is 1275. 1275. Therefore, the option is A. The option is A. Understand? First, not look at that answer. Option. Understand? Do the questions and put a tick there. That option is given in the question, or otherwise write none of the above. Understand? Now, write the next question. 1 plus 7 plus 13 plus etc. plus 115. Some students think this 115 is n. Isn't it? No, that's not for nth term. Here, same procedure, a equal to 1 and d equal to 7 minus 1. Yes, 6. And an is equal to 115. Understand? Then, can you say what's the first term? Yes, find how many terms are there in between this 1 and 115, or not between all these terms. How many terms are there? To find how many, we apply an. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. N means 115 equal to 1 plus n minus 1 into d is 6. That is 115 minus 1 is 114 by 6 equal to n minus 1. 114 by 6. N minus 1 equal to 114 by 6 is 19. Got it? Then n is equal to 19 plus 1 equal to 20. That means 20 terms are there. Then write the formula. Yes, 20 equal to 20 by 2 into a plus an, or a plus l. First term plus last term. N by 2 into first term plus last term. Therefore, 20 by 2 into 1 plus 115 is 116. 2 and 20 cancel 10. Final answer 1160. Then when you go through this option, some students directly write n by 2. N by 2 means the answer is 10. That is wrong. Then 1160 is there. Therefore, the correct option is B is the correct option. 1160. Now listen the next question, 7th question. Sum of the first 7 terms of 16, 19, 22, etc. Now S7, right? S7 is equal to 7 by 2 into 2 into A. 2 into A means 2 into 16 plus 7 minus 1. 6 into, can you say what is 19 minus 16? Common difference is very important. Second term minus first term. 19 minus 16 is 3. That is 7 by 2 into 32 plus 18. What is 32 plus 18? Yes, 50. 7 by 2 into 50. What is 25 into 7? What is 25 into 7? The answer is 2 and 50 cancel 25. 7 into 25 is 175. Then look at the options given in the board. 175 there, 105 there, 275 there. Therefore, the final answer is the option A is the final answer. Okay, then write. Write the 8th question. Sum of all natural numbers between 1 and 100 which are divisible by 3 is. What's the question? Sum of all natural numbers between 1 and 100 divisible by 3. Can you say the first number divisible by 3 after 3? 3 ones are 3, isn't it? Then, can you say which is the last number divisible by 3? Here the last number is 100, below 100. Can you directly say the answer? Yes, 99 is the last number divisible by 3, and here divisible by means 3 is D. Now we have to find n. Therefore, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. an means 99 equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into 3. Okay. Then 99 minus 3 is 96 by 3 equal to n minus 1. 32 equal to n minus 1 means n is equal to 33. n is equal to 33. Isn't it? Therefore, the question is S33. What is the formula? S33. 33 by 2 into 2a, or the first term and last term given. 3 plus 99. That is 33 by 2 into 102. Then pick out which option is the correct answer. Is it 1583, 1683 or 2863 or none of the above? Yes. Is it 1683? Check the answer. Is it 1683? Okay. Okay, students. Study well. God bless you. We will meet in the next class. Okay. We will continue the same topic. Sum to n terms of an arithmetic progression. Okay, thank you.